Okay, part two. So I was just thinking with that, two of my favourite flower essences around being conscious are Philotheca and Silver Princess. And I've got my Australian Bush Flower Essence book, and this is about Philotheca. So Philotheca is an Australian bush flower essence, and it's for letting your star shine. It's for owning your beautiful internal bits that are just you. It's that part of us that wants to be, well, some people don't want to be different. Some people want to hide away in the corner and not be seen. And there's something obviously subconsciously that makes the brain want to do that. But at the beginning of Philotheca it says, watch how a man takes praise, and there you have the measure of him. How often do you give someone a compliment and they say, oh, this old thing, or I'm having a bad hair day, or this is 20 years old, or they immediately discard the compliment because they simply can't believe that there's something about them that's worth complimenting. We deserve to be here on this earth. We deserve to be seen. We deserve to be loved. We deserve to have that energy about us where people go, it's great to see you. At the end, it's sort of got the affirmations, and I thought I'd just do these with a little bit of energy work. I now acknowledge myself for who I am. I am deserving of the love and support offered to me, and I now gracefully accept encouragement and praise. Okay. I now proudly accept who I am. I deserve praise. I deserve acknowledgement. I deserve love. I deserve praise. I deserve acknowledgement. I deserve love. So for many of us, that's going to be a trigger for pain and punishment. You know, an old pattern where that hasn't been true at some time in our life. We've all been there. We've all seen that look that has created some shame or guilt inside us, that look from someone else of blame, of anger, of frustration, there's a thing called toxic shame. What are we taking on that has no basis in our own lives? It's other people's stuff. I release any and all toxic shame about who I am. I remove any and all toxic shame about who I am. I choose to move forward being the best I can be. I choose to move forward being the best I can be. I choose to move forward being the best I can be. Releasing serotonin, dopamine, releasing any and all feel-good hormones. Allowing optimal feel-good hormones to be conscious, awake, alive, and free. I deserve to be seen for who I am. I deserve to be seen for who I am. I deserve to be seen for who I am, not for who people want me to be. Escape, submission, freeze. Yeah. So obviously when we lose people in our life, it makes us wonder. It makes us wonder what could have been, how could we have changed things? A relationship that potentially could have been better with those people. What could we have done to change outcomes? And I think at some point again, when relationships shift, when relationships change, when we lose people, we need to own that we did the best. We did the best. We did the best we could with the time we had and the time we had. So I honor and accept myself for all of my faults. I honor and accept myself for all of my flaws. I honor and accept myself for all of my transgressions. I honor and accept myself through all of my emotions. Mission freeze. Sometimes it's hard to honour and accept ourselves. And if any of us have done those things in our life that you wish you could go back and erase that day, erase that week, erase that month, erase that year, just remember we're here on the planet. We're living our best life in the moment we can. And if we're not, it's often because of those unconscious and subconscious patterns that have been locked into us from the moment we've been born. Those generational patterns that may have been there for up to 7 generations. These things are hard to shift. And the fact that we realize it at any time in our life, that's our great awakening. That's our great awakening. Congratulate yourself for being aware of it. If you're not aware of it, you're still in that subconscious, unconscious patterning. If we know we've done a bad job at something, or we know we should have left a situation, or if we know we regret doing something, it means we've moved forward. It means we've moved on, which is exactly what we're supposed to do in life. So, good on you guys. Okay. So everyone, I just want you to let your star shine. $9.99, $9.99, $9.99. Raise your vibration. Be seen. $9.99, $9.99, $9.99. And don't forget there's love out there. There's love out there for everyone. Take care, y'all. Have a great day.